Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It's Monday, April 29th, 2024. Hope you're doing well. All right, what I want to show you here, folks, a couple examples on how seasonality plays a role in my trading. So you see Heikinaichi candles in here, as well as my seasonal projections. In this case, gold. This is a GLD ETF. Is projected to go higher. It's been like that for quite about 2.5 months here. And as expected, it's gone higher. Okay, so where was my first entry opportunity? Well, you can see the Laguerre here triggered right here is a trigger in the direction of that green trend. That's what I look for. Okay, so first I look for seasonality, then I look for my entries off the daily. Okay, seasonality is off the weekly, entries are then off the daily triggers. Okay, when do I like to exit? Once I'm in the trade, I like to manage it with my Heikinaichi trends dots here. The exit point is at the red right there. My goal is 80% of the move. Okay, so let's take a look at another example. RRC. So when you first look, first of all, let's focus here in on the daily, right? We've been green in the backdrop since February. So my bias are for long plays on RRC, which is Range Resources Corporation. Okay. And so what I like to do, folks, is when you look at the seasonal projection, it was projected to the upside and basically it tops right here around June. Okay, so my expectation is based off the seasonal indicator and what's happened in the past is that this will continue higher until somewhere in early June. So one of the entry opportunities I had is, again, when the Laguerre triggers right here as an entry back in the direction of the trend, that's the trigger. And then the exit would be on a red dot. So this is a particular trade that you would still be in, and you're basically managing. Now, every day, since this is the daily chart, if you get an exit point, will be on the red dot. Other than that, you always have your stops in place, and then you have, again, the continued play until you get that red dot. All right, folks. So with that, if you're interested in learning about seasonality, I'm going to have a live webinar coming up. It is Wednesday, May 1st, 2024 at 10 o'clock Eastern, 10 a.m. Eastern. Just go to www.becomeabettertrader.com/yes. Again, becomeabettertrader.com/yes, 10 a.m. Eastern on Wednesday. Look forward to seeing you there. Again, one of the questions I get a lot about seasonality is, what if something's not acting like it normally has been? So if something's normally bullish and is acting bearish, well, part of my seasonal system identifies that exactly. And so if something's not acting normal, then I won't trade it. So no, seasonality is not perfect, but the way I've designed my seasonal system is you'll know it's not perfect, and then you can make that decision, that educated decision on, okay, this particular stock is not acting like it should. So, hey, I'm going to skip it and wait for the next one. Okay. And this is good for anybody that's learning to learn more about seasonality, no matter what platform you use. Look forward to seeing you here on Wednesday. All right, buddy, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next update. Take care.